Good morning, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to all of you in this e-learning program. Friends, you already know we are doing lesson number 16, which is light. And in this lesson, we have already completed the formation of the number of images, multiple number of images that is observed when the mirrors are kept at a particular distance from each other, at a particular angle from each other. We have discussed about this contents in detail. In our last session, we winded up with the uses of the plane mirror. In that we learned that plane mirrors are used for the formation of kaleidoscope. Yes, in our today's session, we are going to see how is the kaleidoscope formed. Okay, so that is our today's session. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज़ द कैलेडोस्कोप. तो जब आप छोटे थे तब आपने मेले में या कहीं पे भी यू माइट हैव सीन एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट के जिसमें से अगर आप देखो ना अंदर से ऐसे करके तो यू विल लाइक दिस यू विल ऑब्जर्व डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स ऑफ द वेरियस थिंग्स दैट आर केप्ट इनसाइड दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ओके, वो होता कैसा है, लेट मी टेल यू. It is like this. Something like this, and over here at its end you are observing from here. आप यहाँ से observe कर रहे हैं. From a small hole that is over here. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा होल होता है कि जिससे आप ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. And what do you see over here? Here you see the beautiful patterns. Now how are you able to see that beautiful patterns? It is because of the concept of kaleidoscope. Now what is its basic principle? It works on the principle of multiple reflection. What is its basic principle? Its basic principle is it works on the principle of multiple reflection. That is its basic way by which it is working. That is, more number of reflections will result into the different formation of the images, and this is the basic key concept or basic working phenomena of a kaleidoscope. Now how is the kaleidoscope formed? That is how its construction is taking place. So for that we need to note the basic amounts which are basic things which are needed to form the kaleidoscope. For the formation of the kaleidoscope, first of all we need 3 mirror strips of the dimensions 15 cross 3. That means the length should be 15 centimeter and the breadth should be 3 centimeter, and this is in centimeter. Next thing which we need is we need two triangular strips of the dimensions 3. Okay. Cardboard and an adhesive and some broken pieces of bangle. These are the things which we need for making a kaleidoscope. What are the things needed? Once again, we need 3 mirror strips. What will be the dimensions? 15 centimeter cross 3 centimeter. Then 2 triangular strips, equilateral triangle जो बनते हो 3 cross 3 cross 3 के. A cardboard to wrap over it, a adhesive and the broken pieces of glasses. Now these are the things, that is, these are the materials which are needed for making the kaleidoscope. Now we will see how is it made, that is its formation. Or you can say making of a kaleidoscope. What you have to do first? You have to take 3 triangular strips. But these triangular strips are how, you know? This is the first one. Now let us understand how is the formation of kaleidoscope taking place. For that, as we saw in the materials needed, we need 3 rectangular strips of 15 cross 3 dimensions. So here we have 3 mirror strips . This is how we have arranged 3 mirror strips. One you can see on the the inner side, one on the outer side, and one at the bottom. Okay. So this is the surface 1. Okay. Then one is behind the mirror. One is outside. The second one that is outside, and the third one which is at the bottom. This is how you have to try to evaluate it, try to think it in 3 dimensions. So here we are keeping 3 mirror strips at 60 degree to each other. So the very first point, three mirror strips are kept at 60 degree from each other. Now what we have done, just have a look at it. We are covering the entire thing with a cardboard sheet such that at the end we are leaving 0.5 centimeter more. Over here, at the end part, we are leaving 0.5 centimeter gap. ओके ये पूरा तो हम कवर करेंगे, बट इससे 0.5 सेंटीमीटर ज़्यादा हम लोग कार्डबोर्ड लगाएंगे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एडेसिव, wrap it with cardboard and leave 0.5 centimeter gap. At its, there is a gap over here. Okay, this much. So over here, at the first part, keep one triangular prism, and after 0.5 centimeter, keep another triangular prism over here. Okay, at its first end keep the triangular prism, then put some of the broken bangles and the pieces like that of various different colors. Put the pieces of the broken bangles over here in this area, wherever it is 0.5 centimeter. What you have to do? You have to once again in this put one triangular prism over here. This is the first triangular prism. The first one is over here. This is the second one over here. And between these two, put all the broken bangles pieces. Okay? So what we have to do? Adjust two triangular pieces in the gap of 0.5 centimeter, one before 5 centimeter, that is one at the end of. Mirror strip, another at the end of cardboard. Before fixing, it, put all the glass pieces and broken bangles in the gap of 0.5 centimeter. What will you observe? Okay, but then on the other side, make a peephole at the center. And observe the various different patterns that are formed with the help of broken glasses. Okay, so this is about the complete formation, and right now you have to write this many points. Be quick, note down all the content, and then we will move on to the further topics. Be quick. I hope you have noted down the content. Make the diagram, see that you make it the way we made it. Things will become more clear. Once it will be wrapped from here, no, it will be a circular like thing. over here. In this way, and there will be a hole in the center. Through where you can see it. Okay, because when it will be wrapped by cardboard, it will look somewhat something like this. Make it, then we'll move further. I hope you have noted it down. Let's move further. Be quick. Write down the content. Be quick, note down the content, then we'll move further. Let's be quick and note down the last content over here. Then we'll move further on the next particular thing. Be quick. I hope friends you have noted down the content. Now we'll move further on the next particular thing, that is the formation of a periscope. And what is a periscope? What is a periscope first of all? Periscope is the object which is used for seeing the things which are not in direct line of sight. That are not in direct line of sight. They are used for seeing the things which are not in direct line of sight. The basic principle is the reflection by plane mirrors. Its principle is reflection by plane mirror. Let us discuss one example with the help of which you will be clear on how it is useful. For example, this is the place where you are. You are in the ocean. Here is the ship that you want to observe. And here are you in a submarine. Now from submarine you want to observe this ship. From the submarine we want to observe this ship. How can we observe it? We can observe it by using a periscope. So directly it is not in its line, it is above it. So it is used for seeing the objects which are not in direct line of sight. I hope you are clear with the content now. For example, to watch a ship from submarine. Now how can we make a periscope? Okay. So let us discuss on how is periscope made. We will make also and we will write also. What do you need to do to make a periscope? First of all, you need to take a cardboard. A very long cardboard. Okay. So what we took a very long cardboard piece. We will write also simultaneously. Take a long cardboard piece. When you take a long cardboard piece, then what you have to do? Cut at 45 degree the slits and fix the mirrors in it. Here what you have to do? You have to cut the slits at 45 degree and arrange two mirrors parallel to each other. Mirrors are parallel but they are kept at angle 45 degree with the bottom. Okay. So what we did in the beginning part, cut the slits at 45 degree and fix two plane mirrors such that the reflecting surfaces face each other. Okay. These are the reflecting surfaces, the outer surfaces, and you can see very well that they are facing each other. Okay. Now make two holes to observe near the mirrors. At top and bottom make two so that you can observe anything from there. So what you have to do over here, as we have done, make the holes. Now you can observe anything from here. Now whenever you are observing, what will happen? Let me explain you. When you are observing from here and the light rays will fall like this. After reflection, where will they go? After reflecting from here, where will they go? So, anything, whenever we are seeing over here, the light rays will get reflected from here and then we will be able to see it over here. Or if at all, we can use it in the reverse way to see anything that is at the bottom. The ship is over here, so the light rays will come over there. It will get reflected. Then will it go? Here the observer will be able to observe it. So this is about how is the periscope working. So thus the observer will be able to observe the things which are in direct line of sight. Okay, now let us note down this content about the periscope. Note down the content, then we'll move further. Draw this diagram. Quick. Be quick, note down this content. I hope you have noted down the content. Now let's move further on the next concept, that is dispersion of white light. Now, how does the dispersion of white light takes place? Very simple it is. You have already seen it in your lower standards, but then too we are doing it again. You are having a triangular prism. Now, whenever light ray is incident on the triangular prism, that is the white light is incident on the triangular prism, it will get splitted it into 7 colors. There will be bending over here, and from here we will get 7 colors. Again they will be bending over here. The violet is not so much visible, so we are using blue. Now I think it's visible. Okay. So this is how you will get band of 7 colors, that is web cure. In this way all the colors will be violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You have already done this concept. This band of 7 colors is called as spectrum. What is the band of 7 colors called as, friends? Spectrum. In that violet and red, we have discussed about these 2 colors. Violet, its speed is the least because its diffusion is maximum. Okay, वो लुच्चा है. This color is a lucha color, but it afford a mari and then it will reach at home. So its speed will be less. While red one, it is very good one. So directly it will go home and its speed is maximum. So dispersion of white light, if we talk, what is the band of the 7 colors is obtained? It's this: web cure, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Speed will be least in the violet one, while it will be maximum in the red one. This is how the dispersion of white light by a triangular prism creates 7 colors. Next concept is, how is the rainbow formed? You have already done these concepts in your lower standards, but because it is a part of our content, we will also do it. In there are tiny droplets of water which are present. This is the air where we are having tiny drops of water everywhere. Now what happens? When the light ray is incident on this droplets, these drops will behave as a prism, and what will happen when the light ray is incident? It will give out 7 colors. Each and every tiny droplet may act as a prism, and it will give the 7 colors, and in this way, by arranging everything, the 7 colors are formed. That is, at the top you are having red and the bottom violet. Okay, so this is how the rainbow formation takes place. Very easy concept. Atmosphere में जितने भी tiny droplets हैं, what do they behave as? They behave as prism. And what will they do? When they behave as prism, they will convert the white light into 7 colors. and this is how the 7 colors are formed. So that is all for today. Thank you so much, my dear students, for listening to me. I hope you have understood all the content that has been done today. That's all, my dear ones. Have a very good day. That's all. Bye bye.